What is your name?
My name is Shauna.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do for work?
I'm student.
How old are you?
I am 17 years old.
Are you married?
No, I am not married.
What are your hobbies?
I like to cook.
What is your favorite food?
I love pizza.
How was your weekend?
It was relaxing.
Do you have any plans for tomorrow?
Not yet.
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
How do you relax?
I watch TV and read.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking.
What's your favorite animal?
I like dolphins.
How long have you been working here?
I've been working here for 3 years.
What is your favorite drink?
Orange juice is my favorite.
What kind of films do you like?
I'm a fan of horror and action films.
What time do you go to school?
I head to school at 7 o'clock a.m.
How do you get to school?
I usually take the bus.
Why are you studying English?
Because it's very important and necessary.
What's on your mind?
It's not your business.
What did you do last night?
I went to the park.
Can you dance?
Yes, I can dance a little.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer coffee.
How many people are in your family?
There are 4 people in my family.
Where did you learn English?
I learned it at school.
Do you understand?
Yes, I understand.
Why are you studying English?
Because it's very important and necessary.
What did you do last night?
I went to the park.
How do you relax?
I watch TV and read.
What kind of films do you like?
I'm a fan of horror and action films.